Guys, 1995 Ford F-150 XLT. Beautiful purple on silver. I like that. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done. It's got pipe right there. Been fixed. The manifold's fixed on it and everything. Then it's got dual high flow cats there and there. 3-inch pipe. And then we supply them with a Borla XR-1 muffler. Part number 40085. Right there. Then it wides out the back on each side. One on each side. With duals into 4-inch by 18 roll tips. Borla is always a really beautiful, deep, middle tone muffler, especially the XR-1 Sportsman, like this one. That's made for, you know, clean, deep tone, nothing crazy, and it complements the high flow cats really, really nice. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it.
Guys, 1995 Ford F-150. So cut it off, redid all of it, took the cat off. It was a dual in, single out cat, and then it basically dumped. Took all that off and just did 2 high flow cats, straight pipe out the side with blue flame tips. Converters there, high flow cat there. There's another one right there. The original one was dual in right here and then single out back here. And then we took that off and did duals right there all the way down and then ran it up the side right there on each side. There it is. We'll drop it down. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, it's clean. Nice, clean idle to it on the XR-1s. Perfect. Do we get a thumbs up? Yes, sir. I love it. They're happy. They make me happy. Again. Yes. Here's sound decibels. Right at 91.9. So it's not crazy loud, just clean. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. We're right down the street from him. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. 3560 Dickerson Pike. They're back to the action. Here we go. It's like deep like a lion roar, you know? I like it. Is that exactly what you were looking for? Yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
So, there's the clip right there. Sound decibels. It hit 101, so it probably hits around 105 or 107 or more next to it. But there it is, true dual straight pipe with high flow cats. Guys, double drive off, so 95 Ford F-150, then the BMW, cut the X pipe off of it, catless down pipes, fully straight pipe basically at this point. And this is true duals with high flow cats out the side, right there, with tips. If I remember correctly, they came all the way from Louisville, so appreciate them coming out.
BMW.